Here's another dry oak. This is white oak, and it has very classic bark that can be identified easily by the these exfoliating ridges. Large white oaks, when you look up at the upper branches, their upper branches look like this, but the pieces are even larger. And behind you is what used to be one of the dominant trees in eastern North America. This is chestnut. This is American chestnut. Wiped out by the chestnut blight that came over from Europe back in the 30s.
How is it surviving?
They grow up to about this height, and the blight hits them when they get higher than 15 to 20 feet. Occasionally you'll find large ones that are old enough to reproduce, and you'll find actual chestnuts, but they're sterile. But there's been a program underway to develop a blight-resistant native chestnut that could be replanted, and I think it was done at the University of Wisconsin. They are now up to the 16th generation, so they've got a 16th pure American chestnut. The other 16th is Chinese chestnut, which is blight resistant, and those are now being propagated for redistribution. So that's a pretty neat story with genetic engineering, basically. But beautiful leaves with these teeth on them, very characteristic of this species. Yeah.
I had one.
That's right. That was a red-bellied woodpecker call. They're usually pretty vocal.